everyone, apa khabar semua? I'm Zarina, your friend from Malaysia, getting ready for the fourth quiz of Malay Adjectives. Good job to you who have done the previous quizzes. By now, you must have known the format of the quiz. But for those who haven't, please check out the part 1, part 2, and part 3 of the series. The links for all the quizzes are in the description, or you could just go straight to the playlist for the adjectives. And if you haven't studied the must know 100 Malay adjectives yet, it is highly recommended that you study this lesson first before you start with the quizzes. Click the link above for these must know 100 Malay adjectives. The quiz consists of 20 adjectives in that must know Malay adjectives list, and they are as followed. Let's repeat the quiz's format. First, you will be asked, apa makna? Apa makna? Followed by the corresponding Malay adjective and a gap of around 5 seconds for you to choose the correct meaning in English. Well, in Malay, if you want to ask what is the meaning of a word, you say, apa makna? Or apa maksud? Apa means what in English. Makna or maksud means meaning. So both phrases in English mean what is the meaning of. Are you ready for the quiz? Yes? But wait, before we proceed with the quiz, I really need your help to grow the channel by leaving some comments, share this video, and don't forget to click that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so that you will be notified once a new video is published. I know you have waited a bit. I'm sorry. Maafkan saya. Let's start the quiz. Apa makna sejuk?
Cold.
Apa makna panas?
Hot.
Apa makna rajin?
Hardworking.
Apa makna malas?
Lazy.
Apa makna besar?
Big.
Apa makna kecil?
Small.
Apa makna bising?
Noisy.
Apa makna senyap?
Quiet.
Apa makna sempurna?
Perfect.
Apa makna cacat?
Flawed.
Apa makna teruk?
Nasty.
Apa makna lain?
Different.
Apa makna sama?
Equal.
Apa makna penting?
Important.
Apa makna betul?
Correct.
Apa makna benar?
Correct.
Apa makna salah?
Wrong.
Apa makna cepat?
Quick.
Apa makna lambat?
Late.
Apa makna awal?
Early.
How was the quiz? I hope you could get all of them 100% correct. If not, strengthen your memory by repeating the whole quiz. Practice makes perfect. That's it for now. Terima kasih for always supporting iLearn Malay channel. Zarina here signing off. Until next time, sampai jumpa lagi.